Hey guys, so you probably clicked on this video because you're like, wait a second, Madison, Boxycharm? What did I miss? What's going on here? So this intro is going to be a little bit longer than the future unboxing intros because I owe you guys a little bit of an explanation. So in the last 3 years, I've been working with Ipsy, and as you guys know, when you work under contract, you are exclusive to the brand. That is no secret. Here's a good example. For instance, when I did acting and I did a Sprint commercial when I was younger, I could not work with any competitors for so many months, and that was in my contract. It's exactly the same in the digital space when you do campaigns. So since my time at Ipsy has come to an end, it's so bittersweet because I'm going to miss everyone there. I'm gonna miss talking with everyone there. They're such an amazing team to work with, and honestly, I'm so grateful for the experiences and everything that I've learned over the years from being there. I'm extremely grateful. But as you grow and as time goes on, one chapter closes and a new one opens, and we are opening up a new chapter, and I'm gonna be bringing back my subscription box unboxings. I am really excited about this. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you most likely found me from my subscription boxes, and this is what my channel was really known for. It was my niche, and I'm so excited to bring them back. And I've definitely been on the hunt for different ones out there that I found, but I wanna also get your guys' recommendations of what you wanna see on my channel. So let me know if there's any boxes out there that I should subscribe to in the comments down below, so that way I can check them out and we can start unboxing those. I am very stoked, but I just wanted to kind of touch base on that really quickly for you guys to give you an explanation of what to expect on my channel from here on out. I'm really excited, and as you guys know, I was doing those unboxing videos for Ipsy, so I was showing all the products every single month. Those are most likely not going to happen anymore, but I do have a new spin on a video that I will be doing in the future to give you guys more of a variety with it. So definitely stay tuned for those. And since I've been doing it for so long, I have a lot of product knowledge. So I definitely know what to look for in subscription boxes. I definitely know what brands I see the most. I just have a lot of background knowledge to it all, so I'm really excited to get down to the nitty-gritty of it and see what boxes are consistently good, what are we consistently getting in boxes brand-wise, and to really break it down for you. So this is gonna get fun. But yeah, I just wanted to touch base on that. And closing out this long intro and explanation, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the Boxycharm November unboxing. So I actually signed up for these ones myself. I'm on the wait list for the Boxy Luxe and the Boxycharm Premium Box. But somehow a little birdie knows over at Boxycharm that my time at Ipsy ended, so they actually sent me the Boxycharm one, and I believe the Boxy Luxe. I think I have it over on the side that I'm gonna save for another video, but I do have my own boxes coming. I know that mine is supposed to arrive on the 13th for the regular Boxycharm, so let me know if you guys wanna see an unboxing of that one, because I do know that these are now customized to you. So just let me know in the comments down below if you guys wanna see that, or if you just wanna see a quick one on Instagram stories. So this is the one that they sent me over, but they are not sponsoring this video. You guys are gonna get my honest opinion on everything, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first off, this box retails for $25. You get a over $125 value in it. This is the competitor to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I also signed up for, and so I plan on doing Battle of the Boxes there. So stay tuned for when those start really get ramping up. I have to see when I'm gonna get my Glam Bag Plus in the mail, but that's my plan. And with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get $120 or more value in that one. So these are monthly, it's beauty products. You get 5 products. One of the products will be your choice, and it's customized to you, and you can also do add-ons on their website. Basically the exact same thing as Ipsy. Ipsy's been doing customizations since forever. And then they started the add-ons and they started the choice, and then Boxycharm came in and did the same thing. So I'm not surprised, because competitors, they have to be able to offer the same thing or even better than the other, and they're constantly competing. It's what it's gonna be. So it's gonna be more coming down to the consistency of which one is consistently good. So that's what we're gonna be looking into. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this one. So in this box, you get the card right here, and it's called Stellar, and oh, look at that. We have Nikita Dragon right here. How gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get into the product. So as you guys know, every subscription box gives you a product list of what you're getting, the price, description, all that fun stuff. First off, I have to gravitate right to the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette right here. So excited to see Kristen Dominique in the box this month. I love her. You guys know she's the sweetest. And this is like a little small version of her Celestial Storm palette. So they just kind of condensed it into 8 shades right here. Really beautiful shadows. I really love her formula. They're very creamy, very blendable, pigmented. One that I've been really enjoying has been that sweater one that she came out with recently. I believe it's already sold out, but it's so good. This one retails for $35. Again, you get 8 shades. You get 5 matte shades and 3 glittery foiled shades in here. Really beautiful, really fun. So let me just swatch a couple for you guys because you just have to see the pigmentation. They are beautiful, like so beautiful. Let me show you one of the glitter foil ones right there. You can use them as toppers on top of the matte ones. Let's do that really quickly. We'll put that one on top of there so it can just kind of transform that shadow, which is so neat. So that is really exciting, especially if you love color in your eyeshadows. That's an awesome palette in there. All right, so here we have a product that I've never seen before. I've never heard of this brand before, so this is very intriguing. We have the ChiPress, I think that's how you say it, Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. So this one retails for $90. $90, friends. Holy moly. I love serums because they do such an amazing thing for the skin. They really like, especially if you have oily skin or really dry skin, it just balances them out. But this is what the packaging looks like. So you definitely get a reasonable amount. You get a total of 1.59 fluid ounces in here. And then you just have your dropper. So I have to try this out on my hands and see what it's like. It looks like a thicker serum right here. Let's do a couple drops. Let's see. Definitely a thicker serum, but ooh. I like the smell. The smell feels like it smells like a spa, but not like overly empowering. It's just like a nice little whiff of it. I'm like, let me see. It feels good. It definitely, like when it starts drying down, it feels pretty tacky, like sticky. So this would probably be nice underneath your makeup to really have your foundation like stick to it and not have it slip and slide around. But if you were just using this, like say if it was at nighttime for your skincare routine, I would definitely top this off with a moisturizer. I don't feel like it's gonna be hydrating enough for the skin. Just from first impression, just the way I feel it on my hands and what I kind of know from serums, I would say definitely layer this with a moisturizer. It says that's what you could do. It says you could use it as a lightweight hydrator, or you can use it as a layering piece for your skincare wardrobe. So I would definitely layer this if you are on the drier side. You might really like this if you are oily though. So I'm definitely gonna check this out and kind of see how it works for my skin. I'm pretty excited. So yeah, again, you can use it morning and night. So I'll let you guys know what I think about that. Next up, we have some Lily lashes. I love Lily lashes. It's so exciting that she even has like her own little packaging in here. And these ones are CEO. These are gorgeous. If I was wearing false lashes, these are the ones that I would wear because I prefer the ones that taper out. I just have lash extensions, so I don't wear lashes anymore. So this doesn't really work for me. But if I didn't have lash extensions, I'd be very stoked about these because these are definitely the style that I would wear. So these are a hit right there. These are the foam mink and they retail for $25. So that's good. And then we have Dose of Colors, a liquid matte lipstick in here. Holy moly, wow. Okay, I'm already kind of impressed with this box. Okay, so we have Dose of Colors. It retails for $18. Let's look at the shade. And you know what? I really like how you can create a full look with this box because this is also a color that could totally go with this palette if you want to go into like these rust colors right here, the Lunar Eclipse, Storm Dust, and Fireball. This would be really pretty with, or even like Internal Light. Like you can create a whole look with this box, which I really like because they all kind of coordinate with each other, which is really, really nice. So I like that. Let me swatch this for you guys. Ooh, this is like a nice deep, like almost, I want to say almost like an ox blood. Look at that. That's like a perfect fall shade. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, I'm already pretty stoked right now. Alrighty, okay, so next up, we gotta go into these brushes here. So we have 2 brushes and they're Boxycharm. Are these just Boxycharm brushes? Okay, so Boxycharm made brushes. 2-piece brush sets. These retail for $35. Huh, these are interesting. They have very interesting handles. They remind me of wands, like Wingardium Leviosa. And there goes the mic flying. That would be cool. Okay, so reading about these brushes, it says that these are the first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. So the large multi-purpose powder brush right here is perfect for liquid creams, powders, and mineral products. And then this is the foundation brush, and it's supposed to give you a precise foundation placement and seamless blending. I could see how this is gonna be used for foundation. I don't know how it's going to apply it though. I mean, and this one with powders, like I could see this one being used for baking, like dipping into translucent powder and then like carving out that contour with it. But I don't know. I have to try these out to kind of see if I would like them or not. From first impression wise, I don't think these are gonna be brushes that I'm gonna gravitate to and that I'm really that excited about, to be honest. I would say that definitely this is like the least exciting thing for me in here so far. The brushes are cool and unique and different, but I don't know for practicality wise with how I do my makeup if these are gonna really work for me. So these are kind of, they're all right for me. Last but not least, it looks like I got a sample in here, and this is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. Ooh, I didn't know Pretty Vulgar had a concealer. And then you get a few different sample shades right here to test out, so that will be nice to test out. I would definitely go to Little White Lies right here, the fair one, and see how that one works, but that's interesting. So you do get a little sample in here. That's cool. It's like a Sephora order where you get the little samples. Gosh, when will Sephora do a rewards program where you can get money back for what you spend there? Like how Ulta does. I would have so much money there now. But anyways, that is everything that I got in this Boxycharm November box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have to say I'm pretty impressed with it. The only thing that I'm like kind of about is definitely the brushes. They just don't excite me much because I just don't know how those are gonna work in my makeup routine because of the way that I do my makeup. So I don't know, I'm gonna test them out and kind of see. Maybe I'm like completely off and they're gonna be amazing, or they're gonna be duds. I don't know. I'll let you guys know on Instagram stories because that's where I tend to update you guys the most over there because it's like immediate. But I am excited about everything else. I love seeing Dominique Cosmetics in the box. I love Kristen. I love her line. So excited about that. I love the way that these products are coordinated with one another to create a whole look. Like you got a set of lashes in here, you have a lip that's gonna go perfectly with the colors in this palette. So I really like that, and I'm anxious to try out this serum to see how this is going to feel on the skin. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on a few of these products. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Also comment down below what you guys got in your Boxycharm this month. I wanna see what you guys get because I know that it's customized now. So there's more products that are offered out there. So it'll be interesting to see what other products are offered in the Boxycharm boxes. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys got so I can kind of take a look and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So I will see you guys in my next video.